G'day, and welcome to Starting from a Point, Part 1 with Jenny Brandis. The PDF pattern can be found on my website. This video will cover the half stitch edge. Starting with placing a pin in the topmost pinhole, we will hang 2 pairs in the open or rainbow configuration. These will be our outside pairs. Add 2 twists to the left pair, cross the center 2 bobbins, and then add a twist to both pairs. This will link the 2 pairs together. I then, off screen, pinned the spangles on the right pair to prevent the pair moving while I worked on the left. Hang a temporary pin above and to the left of centre. This pin is used as I work down the foot side. Hang a pair open on the temporary pin. This pair will be worked through the left starting pair with a cross, twist, pin, cross and twist. We then remove and replace the temporary pin and ease the new pair down to the edge pin. Let's repeat that for the next pinhole. Hang a pair open on the temporary pin. Work this new pair through the edge pair with a cross, twist, pin, cross and twist. Remove and replace the temporary pin, ease down the new pair. Continue in this manner until all the pins are added on the left, moving the temporary pin down as you go. Move all of these pairs off to the side so that you can work on the right side. Now we will repeat the same process on the right hand side. Move the temporary pin to the right hand side. Hang a pair from the temporary pin, cross, twist, pin, cross and twist. Remove and replace the temporary pin while easing down the new pair. Continue in this manner until the right hand side is done. The hanging in is now complete. Move aside the right hand pair and continue working the lace as per your pattern. You have now finished the sample. Half stitch start from a point. Part 2 will be a winkie pin edge.